Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for who it is for. Money. Let's talk about money. The one thing that most of us want or need more than just about anything else in this world. But let's reflect on what money can buy versus what it can't. What money can buy? A bed, but not sleep. A clock, but not time. A book, but not knowledge. A position, but not respect. Medicine, but not good health. Amusement, but not happiness. Acquaintance, but not friendship. Obedience, but not faithfulness. A house, but not a home. You see, my friends, in reflecting on what money can and cannot buy, we are reminded of the invaluable intangibles that defines the essence of a fulfilling life. True wealth, my friends, lies not in material possessions, but in the richness of relationships, in the depths of knowledge, in the vitality of good health, and in the joy of genuine connections. So in closing, my friends, as we journey the complexities of a world often driven by material pursuits, let us cherish the invaluable gifts that money cannot buy and cultivate a life abundant in the priceless treasures of the heart and soul. Yeah, man, a word to the wise.